Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Acid Hyaluronic Full Guide. Start with clean skin and a patch test on the inner forearm before full face application. Use a pea-sized amount and gently press into damp skin, avoiding eyes and open wounds. Layer under moisturizer and sunscreen for daytime or under a gentle night cream. Stop use if irritation occurs and consult a professional for persistent reactions. Gently cleanse with a mild cleanser and tone if desired to remove makeup, oil, and impurities. Pat skin slightly damp. Hyaluronic acid binds water to skin and works best with moisture present. Apply a thin layer and follow with serums that complement hydration, avoiding harsher actives like strong acids or retinoids at the same time. Finish with moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning to lock in benefits and protect skin. Dispense a pea-sized amount onto fingertips and warm briefly between hands to ease spread. Gently press the product into cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin using tapping motions rather than rubbing. Allow a minute to settle before layering moisturizer or makeup to prevent pilling. For eyes, use a tiny amount around orbital bone and avoid direct eye contact. Consult a dermatologist if unsure about combining with treatments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.